Hey everyone, I am here and I'm cooking. So, let's get real quick. Flip. There we go. Got everything labeled, got everything done. So, this is my cooking area, cooking. Right now, I'm doing the steamed broccoli right here, which should be hot, and it's boiling. And I use gloves next time I touch that. Yeah. And so here we go. So right now I'm doing the steamed broccoli and the pulled barbecue chicken. Right here I'm going to be boiling this. I'm going to add Worcestershire sauce in a second here. Let me do that real quick. Put you right there. Worcestershire sauce in here. I'm going to be boiling ingredients that I'm going to use for it later also. So I'm going to add more of this later. But right now I'm just boiling it with the ingredients so that it seeps in. Chicken. Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce, Worcestershire sauce, and mayo. The mayo gives it some fat that pulls out the flavor really well. Hey, how's it going, Kimra? All right. So I need a spoon. Where's the spoon? Over here. Okay. Got a spoon, and here we go. Putting maybe this is 4 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken breast. So I'm putting those in here, just 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 big scoops of mayo in there. That's gonna, like I said, bring out the flavor of the chicken. Just rinsing that off real quick. And so yeah, that's doing that, and then I'm gonna add a little water after I mix it. So I'm actually gonna use my hands to mix it because that's what I'm gonna do. So I gotta take out my watch, put that in my pocket. So I'm just gonna use my hands and get in here. So, and then I'm gonna add water and just all right, so I'm gonna boil it until it's nice and soft, and then when I'm done boiling it, I'm gonna pull it apart. I gotta wash my hands twice according to the food handler's permit that I just got. So 1 and went up on 2 times. All right. There we go. Drying off my hands here. This is for a group of people that I'm cooking for, so I need to add water to the mix. So I'm gonna turn this on, then add water. Over here is the sink. All right, now let's see. I'm gonna carry this pot with me and the phone. Wow, that's a skill you gotta learn. Put this over here. I gotta turn this down a little bit. It's a little too high on this stove here, so turn that down a little bit. It's a nice gas stove, and it's just getting a little too much. But in there's broccoli covered, and this is a colander that I put it in, and it's gonna steam it nicely. All right, now this one should be, yep, that one. That's good. You gotta put it on high to start it, and then turn it down, and then it'll boil. I do need a lid, which I already prepared here for that, and that's gonna keep the pressure inside, kind of like a pressure cooker. But I only have 2 hours to make this, so till 5. So I gotta hurry. So that's that. I'm gonna put the pulled pork in these buns. I'm gonna toast these buns. If I have a toaster, which I think I do. Tell me if you see a toaster. Toaster. I don't see a toaster. Anybody see a toaster? I don't actually see a toaster. So they should have oven. So why don't you use this oven here to toast the buns? But once I do, I'll be it'll be really close to time for cold buns. So I'm gonna do that like a half hour before everyone needs to be served, which will be about 4:30 or 4:45. I'll start toasting the buns. So then I gotta really hurry up and put them in the burger. So put them all together. So once that's all done, everything should be good. So here we go. Steaming broccoli. So let me use this real quick and show you what this is like. So this is the colander and a lid to keep it in, and then just water down here, and that's boiling over a little bit, and that's fine. It's actually not boiling over, it's just the what's it called, condensation of the heat coming up to the top of the pan, top of the lid there, and getting that. So this is the mayonnaise with the chicken and the barbecue sauce, and water with Worcestershire sauce to make it taste good while it's boiling. And it's going to take a little bit to boil, so I'm going to turn this up until it's really ready, and then you can see those nice flames. I like staring at flames. Frozen. All right, staring at flames is one of those things that it just makes you concentrate a little easier. It zens you out, you know what I mean? So, and these are the beans, once it flips, that I'm going to be using. So I'm going to open those up and put those in the pan. Over here, these pans right here. And I do need a little bit of help with how to do that, because I know we use these things. I know the group here, the people here use those things, but they're right here. But there's somehow, I guess you put water in there. All right, so that's that for now. Have fun. I probably won't hear from you or do another live video again, because I'll just be serving everyone. So talk to you soon. Thanks. Kitchen from Goonies territory. Not Arcadia. Where am I? Yeah, that one location. That's in the description. Yeah. All right. Oregon. Talk to you later. Thanks. Bye.